Yeah, hello once again. You are welcome to a Tech Plumber YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through the answers to 0x02 Shell IO redirections. We just finished with the quiz that they gave us for these tasks. So I'm going to take you through how to go about the answering your questions. First, you have to make sure you go through the materials and resources that they've given you. At the resources tab, you can see they are saying you have to read, watch. So try and expand these resources, read and understand them. There is man on help on echo, cat, head, tail. Try to Google and read more about what these things does, these commands, what they does. Try and understand them so that in subsequent tasks that they will give you, you will not fumble or you will not find it a bit difficult to work on. So let me scroll to the task 0. That's the hello world. It said we should write a script that prints hello world followed by a new line to the standard output. Also, don't forget in doing this, there is a repository that you have to create on GitHub. If you don't have the repository, this is the name: ALS System Engineering DevOps. Try and create this repository on your GitHub. Then you clone using your personal access token to your terminal. When you are done cloning this particular repo to your terminal, you have to navigate into this repository. So on my right hand side is my bash. I've connected my bash to my sandbox, just like how you are using the terminal, the web term. When you open the web term fresh, this is how your interface is. So I'm in my terminal, or probably I'm using bash, so it's basically the same thing. So I will do cd to go into my root directory. So from cd, I already have my ALS system DevOps repo already cloned. So I will do cd ALS system DevOps. I will enter. If you don't have this directory created, the 0x02 shell redirections, you have to create it by using the make directory command. That's mkdir space, the name of this directory. I have it created, so I will just do cd space, the name of the directory, 0x02. Then I enter. It said I should create a file named 0-hello world and hello_world. Don't forget to also create your readme file before you start answering your task. So the command to create a readme file is just a simple touch space, the readme.md. That's the command to create a readme file, or command to create any other file. I have my readme file already created, so I will just do vi space readme.md, enter. This is what I have in my readme. It's just a simple hello world that I just typed in my readme. When you are done, you just click escape:wq to save. When you are done with the readme, you create this file name, that's the 0-hello world. So you do vi space, enter the name of the file. Inside the file, there's the script that I have. It said write a script that prints hello world followed by a new line. This is the command. Your first line has to be #bin bash. The next line is where you write the command that's whatever task that they've given to you. So when you are done, you just type escape:wq to save. Then you do your change mode u+x space, the name of the file. So when you are done with the change mode, you do git add space, the name of the file. Then you do git commit -m with your commit message. So in this case, probably you can just do copy the name of the task as your commit message, like this. or you can also decide to just do it task 0. When you are done, you type enter, you hit on the enter key, then you do your git push. Then you can hit on the enter key again for your code to be pushed to the repo. After pushing, you come to your repo, you come to your checker for NDA, then try to check your code whether you are correct or you are wrong. We move to the tax 1, confused smiley. So write a script that displays the confused smiley. So we first have to create this file name, once dash confused smiley. So I will do vi space the name of the file, then I hit enter. My first line is the hash exclamation bin bash followed by the command that displays the confused smiley. So it's echo with some other words attached to it. When you are done, you just press on the escape :WQ to exit. Then you do your change mode u plus x space the name of the file, enter. You do your get add space the name of the file. You do your get commit with your commit message, let's say tax 1. You hit enter, then you do your git push. You do your git push to push your code to your repository. We move to tax 2. So let's display the content of the /etc/password file. So this is the file that we have to create and write our command in. So we have to just copy the file name. We come to our terminal, we do vi space the name of the file, enter. Your first line has to be forward hash exclamation bin bash. This is the command for the tax 2. When you are done, press on escape :WQ to save and exit. You do your shmod u plus x space the name of the file, enter. You do your get add space the name of the file. You do your get commit -m with your commit message, so tax 2. You hit enter. When you are done, then you do your git push to push your code to the repository. After pushing, you can click on your checker to check your code. We move to tax 3. The file that we have to create is here, that's 3-2 files. So we copy the file name. We come to our terminal, we do vi space the name of the file, enter. Your first line has to be hash exclamation bin bash. As you already know, you have to press I to go into insert mode before you can type whatever you want to type in your vi. So the command is cat /etc/password. Then the rest of the commands also follows. When you are done, escape :WQ to save and exit. You do your shmod u plus x, then the name of the file that you are working on. Then you do your get add space name of the file. You do your get commit with your commit message, tax 3. You hit on enter. Then you do your git push to push your code to your repository. We move to tax 4. This is the file name that we have to create. We copy the file. It says we have to write a command that displays the last 10 lines of /etc/password. So we do vi space the name of the file. We hit enter. Press I to go into insert mode. Your first line has to be the hash exclamation bin bash. The second line will be the command that they are asking you to input. That's tail space /etc/password. When you are done, escape :WQ. You do your shmod u plus x. Then the name of the file. Hit on enter. you do git add, name of the file, enter, you do your git commit with your commit message tax 4, you hit enter, then you do your git push to push your code to your repository. When you are done, you come to your checker and you check your code. We move to tax 5. The file name that we have to create is 5 first lines. Click on copy, we do vi space the name of the file, we hit on enter. I to be in a set mode so that you can type your codes. Your first line has to be hash exclamation bin bash. The second line is where you type your command. So the command is head/etc password. When you are done, escape : wq to save and exit. You do your shmod u plus x space the name of the file. You do your git add space the name of the file. You do your git commit -m with your commit message tax 5. You hit enter. Then you do your git push to push your code to your repository. We move to tax 6. So tax 6, this is the file that we have to create and write our code in. So we do vi space the name of the file, enter, then I to be in inserted mode. Your first line has to be hash exclamation bin bash followed by the command on the second line. That's what you are seeing on your screen. So when you are done, escape : wq, enter, you do your shmod u plus x followed by the name of the file. You do your git add space the name of the file, your git commit -m with your commit message tax 6, enter, then you do your push, that's git push, then you hit on enter. We move to tax 7. This is the file that we have to create, 7-file. We do vi space the name of the file, enter. We have to press I to be in insert mode. Your first line has to be hash exclamation bin bash. Your second line is where you type your code or your command. That's what you are seeing on the screen. When you are done, escape : wq, you do your shmod u plus x followed by the name of the file, enter. You do your git add followed by the name of the file, enter. You do your git commit with your commit message tax 7, you hit enter, then you do your git push to push your code to your repository. We move to tax 8. We copy the name of the file, we do our vi space the name of the file, enter, press I to be in insert mode. Your first line has to be hash exclamation bin bash. Your second line is where you write your command. When you are done, escape : wq to save and exit. You do your shmod u plus x, then the name of the file that you are working on, you hit enter. You do your git add space the name of the file. When you are done, you do your git commit -m with your commit message tax 8. You hit enter. When you are done, then you push git push to push your code to your repository. We move to tax 9. This is the name of the file. We copy. We do vi space the name of the file, enter. You press I to be in insert mode. Your first line has to be hash exclamation bin bash followed by tail, the command that they are expecting you to write on your second line. When you are done, escape : wq, enter. You do your shmod u plus x followed by the name of the file, enter. Then you git add space the name of the file. When you are done, you do your git commit -m with your commit message. You hit enter. Then you do git push to push your code to your repository. When you are done pushing, you come to the checker to check your code. We move to task 10. We copy the name of the file that we have to create. We come to our terminal, we do vi space the name of the file. We hit enter. I to be in insert mode. Your first line has to be # bin bash. Your second line is where you type your command for the task 10. When you are done, escape : W kill. Save and exit. Shmode u plus x followed by the name of the file. Enter. You do your git add forward followed by the name of the file. Enter. Then you do your git commit -m with your commit message. You hit on enter. Then you do your git push to push your code to your repository. When you are done, you come to the checker to check your code. You move to task 11. We copy the name of the file. We do vi space the name of the file. Enter. We press I to be in insert mode. Our first line has to be # bin bash followed by the command that they are asking us to write for the task we are working on. That's the task 11. When you are done, escape : W kill to save and exit. You do your shmode u plus x followed by the name of the file. You do git add space the name of the file. When you are done, you do your git commit with your commit message. Task 11. When you are done, then you git push to push your code to your repository. We move to task 12. This is the name of the file we copy. We do our vi space the name of the file. You click on enter. You press I to be in insert mode. Your first line has to be # bin bash. Your second line is where you type your code. When you are done, escape : W kill, save and exit. You do your shmode u plus x space the name of the file you are working on. Then you do your git add followed by the name of the file. You do your git commit -m with your commit message. Task 12. You hit enter. Then you do your git push to push your code to your repository. When you are done, you come to your checker. Then you check your code. We move to task 13. This is the file name that we have to create. We copy. We do vi space the name of the file. We hit enter. I think I'm having an error, so let me just escape and quit. So vi space 13. Hit enter. What am I getting here? On swap file. Already exists. So let me do E to edit it anyway. So this is the file. Press I to be in insert mode. The first line has to be the # bin bash that they gave you in the resources. The second line is the command that works for that particular task. When you are done, escape : W kill to save. You do your shmode. Get the name of the file. You do your git add space the name of the file. When you are done, you do your git commit with your commit message. Task 13. You hit enter. Then you do your git push to push your code to your repository. We move to task 14. So this is the file that we have to create. We do vi, we hit enter. I to be in insert mode. First line is #bin bash. Second line is the command for the particular task. When you are done, escape : WQ to save and exit. You do your shmod u plus x space the name of the file. Then you do your get add with the name of the file. You hit enter. You do your get commit with your commit message task 14. You hit enter. You do your git push to push your code to your repository. When you are done, you come to the checker, then you check your code. We move to task 15. You copy the file name, you do your vi space the name of the file, enter. Press I to be in inserted mode. First line is your #bin bash. Second line is the command for the tasks you are working on. When you are done, escape : WQ to save and exit. You do your shmod u plus x, the name of the file, enter. You do your get add space the name of the file you are working on. You hit enter. When you are done, get commit -m with your commit message task 15. You hit enter. Then you do your git push to push your code to your repository. When you are done, you come to the checker, then you check your code. We move to task 16. You copy the file name, you do vi on your terminal, you hit enter. We press I to be in insert mode. First line has to be #bin bash. Second line is the command that works for the task 16 that you are working on. When you are done, escape : WQ to save and exit. You do your shmod u plus x followed by the name of the file. When you are done, you do your get add space the name of the file. You do your get commit -m with your commit message task 16. You hit enter. Then you do your git push to push your code to your repository. We move to task 17. You copy the name of the file, you do your vi space the name of the file, you hit enter. I to be in inserted mode. First line is your #bin bash. Second line is your code or your command. When you are done, escape : WQ, enter to save and exit. You do your shmod u plus x, then the name of the file. You hit enter. You do your get add space the name of the file. You do your get commit -m with your commit message task 17. Then you do get push to push your code to your repository. We move to task 18. You copy the name of the file. You do vi space the name of the file. You hit enter. You press I to be in insert mode. First line is #bin bash. Second line is the command that you are expected to write for the task 18. Escape : WQ to save and exit. You do your shmod u plus x space the name of the file. You hit on enter. Then you do your get add space the name of the file. When you are done, get commit -m with your commit message task 18. You hit on enter. When you are done, then you do your git push to push your code to the repository. We move to 19. You copy the name of the file, you do vi space the name of the file, hit on enter. I to be in inserted mode. First line is your hash exclamation bin bash. Second line is the code that you are expected to write, or the command you are expected to write for this particular task. When you are done, escape colon WQ to save and exit. You do your shmod u plus x, then the name of the file. You do your git add space the name of the file. When you are done, you do your git commit with your commit message tax 19. You hit on enter, then you do your git push to push your code to your repository. So I will be doing the number 20. That's the last one that I will do. I will try and share the remaining codes in my YouTube description for you to access and copy for the remaining tasks that I didn't show on my video. So the task 20, you copy the file just like how we've done. VI space the name of the file. You press I to be in insert mode. First line has to be hash exclamation bin bash. Second line is the code that you write. When you are done, escape colon WQ. You save and exit. You do your shmod u plus x, then the name of the file, enter. You do git add, then the name of the file. When you are done, you do your git commit with your commit message tax 20. You hit enter, then you do your git push to push the code to your repository. When you are done, you come to your checker, then you click to check your code. I've saved the remaining codes for you in the YouTube description so that you can also access, copy, try and find out the meaning or the understanding of how those codes work, even though you are copying them, so that next time when you meet them, you will know how they work and what they do. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please try and do so. Click on the subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell for you to get a notification whenever any video is being uploaded on this YouTube channel. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye bye.